What's going on, stackers? So this video is my income report, my KDP income report for the month of October. This is actually part of a playlist, and if you want to see the rest of them, you can click right there in the right hand corner. And also, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content book publishing, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, like I said, this video is part of a playlist where I've been breaking down each month's income within my low content book publishing business. The video before this was for September, and that's where I made $1,736. This one is for October, so let's change that over. Nearly at the end of these income reports as well, and then I'll all be caught up. So in October I did $2,707. Now all this is not profit because I was running ads, and in October I was actually running ads on Amazon.co.uk and the US as well. So nearer the end of the video we are going to deduct my ad spend from my royalties to see what I actually made in profit. Now in October I'm not sure how many books I had. If I had to guess, it's definitely going to be over 2,000 by then. And then as you can see, the month of October I had a pretty good rise in sales. So my highest day being 124, my lowest being 50, and that one just there, which was 55. So in the month of October I actually had a kids low content book do extremely well, and it was a Halloween low content book. Now I've just changed that to units so we can see how many I was selling. Lowest day 28, or should I say 31, the highest day 75 units sold, and then a little bit of bounce in between with a steady increase in sales. So let's actually just change that back and then come down to here. We can see, so 78% of my royalties or my books sold come from Amazon.com, 20% from Amazon.co.uk, 1% from Canada, because I think that's when they roughly started bringing in Canada as well, and then there's a couple over there on other marketplaces. So my Halloween kids low content book was my best performer for the month, and I actually sold 678 units of that. Altogether I actually sold 1,620 units of my books. So it actually turned out to be a pretty good month. Anyway, 678 from that book, which made me $821. This right here was one of my kids low content books. That was actually the Halloween one. And then my second best selling is one of my best selling books anyway, and I sold 248 units of that, made $678. Then my third I sold 89, made $154. That again was another kids low content book. Then this one, 85 units sold, $139, and that is for teacher appreciation again. I think that was in the last video as well. Then this one, 33 units sold, but only $132 in royalties. Now I have explained before why that is. This is a kids low content book. It's full of coloured pages, and once you hit past 40 coloured pages, the printing cost actually rises quite a lot. Then this one I sold 34, made $64, and that one is for medical assistance. So let's go right back up to the top. $2,707 earned. Let's go over to my advertising accounts and see how much I actually spent. So let's start off with UK. So in the UK, this was the first month that I started advertising, and we can see I spent £146.99. Not $99, 99p. So £146.99. What I've gone is gone over to just a quick converter to get a rough estimate. So that's around $191. And then on Amazon.com advertising account, if we go to October, we can see I spent $508.58. So together, that actually totals $700 spent in ad spend. So if we go back over to my royalties earned, bring up that calculator, and then do 2,707.85, take away that advertising, which was 704 cents. So 704 cents equals just over 2,000. So $2,007 in profit with my low and no content book publishing business for the month of October. So again, still a really great month for me, and I'm really happy with these results. Now, like I said, this is part of a playlist, so don't forget to click right there in the right hand corner, go through and check out those videos, because that way you can actually see my progress from when I started right up until now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.